Hello friends, in this tutorial we are discussing about DNA concentration problem, how to calculate the DNA concentration. This type of question basically frequently asked in the NET, JRF, CSR and NET. Whatever you giving the exam related to the biotech, then you will be see the such type of question, DNA concentration, how to calculate the DNA concentration. If you watch this video, then you will be understand the how to calculate the DNA concentration. There are basically formula we can calculate this formula. Double stranded DNA concentration equals to 50 microgram per ml into OD 260 reading into dilution factor. This is the DNA concentration formula, and yield formula is that in yield formula double standard DNA concentration into 1000 ml into total sample volume. Okay, this is this is the two problem. First problem is that DNA concentration resulted in 50 microliter total volume. Okay, the sample was diluted 1:5, and the 1:5 and gave an OD rating of 0.307 unit. And then how to calculate the double stranded DNA concentration? We can utilize this formula. Double stranded DNA concentration equals to 50 microgram per ml into OD 260 reading into dilution factor, and then and put the all values. Okay, and 50 into OD is that OD 0.307, and dilution factor is that dilution factor equals to final volume upon initial volume, which means 1:5, and the final volume is 5 and initial volume 1. And then we'll put the all this value in the double standard concentration formula, and then will we get the value of this. And you can see the answer of this, like this one answered 76.75 microgram per ml. Okay, after calculating this. Okay, and yield, how to calculate the yield formula is that double standard DNA concentration into 1000 ml total sample volume. Okay, we already calculated the double standard concentration and put the calculated the double standard concentration value. Okay, and upon 1000 into total sample volume is given in the question 50 microliter. And after calculating the all these value, and then final value will be 3.8 microgram DNA. Okay, and second problem is that a DNA extracted resulted in 100 microliter total volume. Okay, the sample was diluted 1:10 and gave an OD 260 reading of 3.368 unit. And then calculate the double standard DNA concentration and yield. As we know, as a previous and as a DNA double standard calculation, we utilize the formula of this 50 microgram per ml, the OD and OD 260 reading, and dilution factor, and put the all these value. Okay, and dilution factor is that 10 raised 10, dilution factor is 10 upon 1. Okay, and final volume dilution factor equals to final volume upon initial volume. Okay, final volume is 10 and initial volume 1, and put the all this value into dilution double standard DNA concentration. Okay, and the answer will be like 1.84 gram 1.84 microgram per ml after calculating the double standard concentration. And yield, how to calculate the yield? We utilize the yield formula. Double standard DNA concentration into 1000 ml into total sample volume, and put the all these value. We calculate the double standard concentration, and 1.84 into 1 upon 1000 into sample total sample volume also given the questions 100 microliter. And then after calculating the all these value, answer yield will be 18.4 microgram DNA. Okay, I hope you understand this basic formula. And okay, thanks.